Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech by Nirbhay. So in this video, I am going to share 5 amazing ChatGPT prompts that can surely increase your productivity, help you make decisions and save your time. And don't miss the last one because that will be a game changer. So let's get started. So first let's talk about summarizing. If you ever needed to read a long article or a report but you didn't have that time to read it, so this prompt is for you, where it says summarize the key points of this article or book of chapter in 3 to 5 sentences. So suppose if I take an example, if I want to get the summary of this article related to cloud computing and I don't want to read this whole article. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply copy the URL of this article and go into ChatGPT. Okay, so currently I am trying to get summary of the whole article. Instead, what you can do, you can mention that chapter names, like its content names over here, and you can get more specific results. Okay, so currently I am trying to get the summary of the whole article. So I will remove this book of chapter. Okay, and I will just mention that URL in double quote and just run it. So you can see it is searching the web and it has provided the detail. So it has provided the summary of this whole article within a seconds. Secondly, suppose you want to make a quick healthy recipe with a limited ingredient list that you have. Okay, now if you try to go on YouTube and try to search for a dish with that limited ingredients that you have, so YouTube might not suggest you the exact dish possible with that limited ingredient. Whereas you can use this prompt on ChatGPT which says give me a quick healthy recipe I can make with ingredients lists. Okay, now you can replace this ingredients lists with the actual ingredients that you have. Suppose I have egg, bread, oil and salt. So I will just click enter. Now it will mention all the ingredients that you have mentioned, as well as it will provide you the steps for preparing that dish. Third, suppose you are trying to learn new thing and you find it difficult to understand. So with the help of this prompt, ChatGPT will act like as an learning assistant for you, where this prompt says explain concept or topic in simple words for someone just started to learn about it. Now you can replace this concept with the actual concept and this topic with the actual topic. Now if I take an example, I am learning about concept cloud computing and I have doubt in topic software as a service. Will be like explain concept cloud computing of concept software as a service in simple terms for someone just started learning about it. Now I will just hit enter. So it has explained what is topic software as a service in concept cloud computing in the easiest way as possible. Also it has provided some key benefits of cloud computing and software as a service in easiest way as possible. Now before proceeding with prompt 5, let's see prompt 4, that is related to time management. Suppose if you are someone that is working from home and you are unable to stay focused to multiple distraction. So this prompt will help you to stay focused and to avoid multiple distraction, where it says give me time management tips for someone who works from home and has frequent distraction. I will just click enter. Now ChatGPT has provided some personalized tips to stay focused, avoid distraction and to get more done in less time. Like this has provided create a dedicated workspace while working, to establish a routine where we need to set regular working hours and need to do them, and similar like many. And finally the best one, if you ever feel stuck choosing between two options, this prompt will make your life easier, which says help me decide one option for between option 1 and option 2 by listing pros and cons. Suppose if I take an example, I am confused for choosing my YouTube channel name. So what I will write, I will say help me decide one option for what? For my YouTube channel name. For my channel name between option 1, which is Tech B in caps by Nirbhay, and option 2, that is Tech B in small by Nirbhay, and I will just press enter. Now this prompt has break down my both options and help me to see pros and cons of each options, as you can see. And at the last, it has also provided the conclusion, where it has said to Tech by Nirbhay, prefer a more conventional, easy readable name that feels professional and straightforward. And for other also, where been caps in Tech by Nirbhay. If you find this video helpful, you can like this video, and for similar kinds of you can subscribe this channel, and if you have any doubts you can comment in the comment section. Till now,